Welcome again. Today, we have to solve this question before us. If 2 log y base 3 plus log s squared base 3 is equal to 4, what is y? Solution. 2 log y to base 3 plus log s squared to base 3 equal to 4. To solve this left hand side, we are going to apply this law to it. A log b to the base c is equal to log b raised to power a to the base c. This is a law of logarithm. Apply this here. 2 will come to the front here. We are going to have log y raised to power 2 to the base 3 plus log s squared to the base 3 is equal to 4. Also, log c a plus log c b will be equal to log c a times b. So we are going to apply that here to give us log to the base 3 of y squared s squared is equal to 4. Also, if log b to the base a is equal to p, then b is equal to a raised to power p. The standard law of logarithm. I'm going to apply that here. A is 3, b is y squared s squared, p is 4. Therefore, I'm going to have that y squared s squared is equal to 3 raised to power 4. From here, y squared is equal to 81 over s squared. 3 raised to power 4 is 81. Taking the square root of both sides, y squared is equal to 81 over s squared, square root cancel square root of 81 will give us 9, square root of x will give us s squared will give us x. Please subscribe to this channel. I will see you in our next video.